From the world of celebrities, Big Brother Naija star Liquorose has finally cleared the air about her relationship with fellow housemate Saga Adeolu. She said she sees him as a brother and gossip partner and would never date or marry him. Liquorose, whose real name is Roslyn Omokoa Afije, made this known during a recent interview just days after celebrating her birthday on March 30th. Her statement ended long-running rumors that she and Saga were in a romantic relationship. "I can't date or marry Saga because he's my brother and gossip partner," she said with a smile. Fans have often wondered if there was something romantic between the two, especially after their close bond in the Big Brother Naija Shine Your Eye season and their frequent hangout after the show. But Liquorose said they are simply close friends who trust each other and enjoy chatting about things. Social media users reacted in different ways. Some people understood her feelings, saying it is normal to have close friends of the opposite gender. Others joked that the brother zone might turn into a love story later.
Why don't you date Saga? I'm like, have you seen me and Saga? BTS? I'm like, no. I'm like, that's my gossip partner. I'm like, this thing you're saying now, once I leave you, I'm testing Saga, we'll laugh about it. You know, Saga is like, I don't know how to explain Saga. So I can't date Saga, I can't marry Saga. Not because he's not attractive, because we've gone beyond that. Like, that's like, when you say that, I'm like, this one, Saga is a very special person to me. He's a friend, he's a brother, he's my partner in crime.
100%.
He's everything. And thank you for being patient.
Liquorose is known for her bold fashion sense. Just recently, she wore a glittery see-through dress at Lagos Fashion Week, which got people talking online. While some praised her style, others felt it was too much. No matter what people say, Liquorose has made it clear Saga is family, not a lover. We will continue to supply you more trendy news updates and exclusive videos. You can as well drop your opinion in the comment box section below. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.